I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pesto Alfredo pasta. First, gather your fresh basil, pine nuts, garlic, and Parmesan cheese for the pesto. Next, ensure you have heavy cream, butter, and more Parmesan for the rich Alfredo sauce. Finally, select your favorite pasta shape, like fettuccine or penne, to bring this delightful meal together. To make your vibrant pesto, start by adding 2 cups of fresh basil leaves and 2 cloves of garlic to a food processor. Next, incorporate 1/4 cup of toasted pine nuts and 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. While blending, slowly drizzle in 1/2 cup of good quality olive oil until the pesto reaches a smooth, desired consistency. Season with salt and pepper. Now let's create the creamy Alfredo sauce. In a saucepan, melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Pour in 1 cup of heavy cream, whisking constantly, and allow it to come to a gentle simmer. Finally, gradually stir in 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese until it's completely melted and the sauce is wonderfully smooth and thick. Once your pasta is cooked to al dente, drain it, reserving about 1/4 cup of pasta water. In a large bowl, combine the hot pasta with both your fresh pesto and creamy Alfredo sauces. Add a splash of pasta water if needed to achieve the perfect consistency. Garnish with extra Parmesan and enjoy. Also, for a fresh car, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.